The 14 Best Foods for Your Heart, Part 2. 8. Walnuts. As a convenient snack in a bag or on top of a salad, walnuts boost your heart functions with healthy omega-3 fats and antioxidants. Eating 2 ounces a day has been shown to improve blood vessel function among people with diabetes and also protect people from heart disease who are at risk for it, says Bridget Swinney, a Texas-based registered dietitian and the author of Eating Expectantly, the practical and tasty guide to prenatal nutrition. Swinney points out that a handful of nuts has also been shown to lower cholesterol levels and help satisfy hunger. 9. Quinoa. This Peruvian wonder pseudo grain, it's actually a seed, is an incredible nutritional multitasker, according to Texas-based cardiologist Simon. It's a fabulous source of vegetable protein, Simon says, which is better for heart health, kidney health and blood pressure than protein from red meat. In addition, she points out that quinoa contains almost twice the amount of fiber as other grains. Full of antioxidants and a good source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fat, the same type of fat found in olive oil and avocados, quinoa is a much-needed source of fiber and is gluten-free. What's more, Simon notes, quinoa is easy to cook, very versatile and really delicious. 10. Salmon. When you serve salmon as your main entree, you'll keep your blood pumping and your heart in prime shape. Studies show consuming fish regularly each week is associated with a 30% lower risk of developing coronary heart disease over the long term, notes Georgia nutritionist Cantor. Cold water fish, such as salmon, contain omega-3 fats, lower levels of harmful lipid levels, Cantor says. Omega-3s also lower blood pressure slightly and can help prevent irregular heart rhythms, while also reducing inflammation throughout the body. Serve your salmon with a side of collard greens and you have a scrumptious, heart-friendly meal. 11. Almonds. Almonds are another smart option to maintain a healthy heart. According to Dr. Chauncey W. Crandall IV, Director of Preventative Medicine at the Palm Beach Cardiovascular Clinic in Florida, just a handful of almonds a day have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol. Almonds are loaded with vitamin E, fiber and protein, all necessary nutrients to keep your heart in top shape. In addition to eating nuts by the handful, you can also incorporate almonds into your baked goods. You can use almond flour instead of wheat flour to help add almonds into your diet, Crandall points out. 12. Peas. Sneak peas into a bowl of pasta or salad, or use them alone as a heart-healthy side dish. Peas are loaded with fiber, and they provide a sweet burst of flavor and add bright colors to any dish, says New York-based nutritionist Carrie Glassman. Peas can also help with weight management, a key ingredient to staying heart healthy. 1 cup of peas has fewer than 100 calories with an abundance of micronutrients, fiber and protein. Try frozen peas, which are flash frozen at the peak of ripeness, and steam them for a bright addition to salad or even omelets, recommends Glassman. 13. Oatmeal. Whole grains will keep your heart healthy and help you to maintain your weight, a necessary heart-healthy action considering that obesity is a risk factor for heart disease and heart-related complications. Start your day off with a bowl of oatmeal, suggests registered dietitian Bridget Swinney. At least half the grains in your diet should be whole grains, but the more the better, she says. Whole grains are more filling, they help you eat less and thus they help with weight control. Whole grains have also been shown to decrease the risk of heart disease and stroke. 14. Cantaloupe. As the seasons change, so do the fruit and veggie harvests. However, this heart-healthy melon is available year-round. Packed with vitamin C, cantaloupes offer a sweet treat to nibble on throughout the day, says registered dietitian Carrie Glassman. According to Glassman, research has shown a link between increased vitamin C consumption and a decreased risk of coronary heart disease, because vitamin C is an antioxidant that works to fight damaged cells while protecting cells from free radical damage. This sweet melon is also packed full of vitamins A, B, K, potassium, folate, magnesium and fiber. What are your favorite heart-healthy foods? Which of these heart-healthy foods is your favorite? How do you enjoy eating it? Did we miss any heart-healthy foods you enjoy? Leave a comment below and let us know.